Hi all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video about what is their current feelings about you. What is their true current feelings about you? There are three options. I just keep it here. There are three pencils. Those are Reiki pencil, and this is green color heart chakra Reiki pencil. This is crown chakra Reiki pencil, and this is blue color throat chakra Reiki pencil. So there are three pencils, so there are three Reiki pencils, and you can close your eyes and choose one among them. And before I could start this reading, thank you guys for showing too much love for me, and you guys are awesome, and I love you all you guys. And please participate in giveaway. I'm giving two free reading on every week, that is 5 question 15 minutes, two free reading on every day. So what is their current feelings about you? There are three choices: crown chakra pencil, and green pencil, and blue color pencil. About me, I am a tarot card reader. I do tarot card reading intuitively. I'm a psychic medium. I have learned tarot card reading from Academy of Tarot India, that is on 2012, and I since then I'm practicing tarot. I also know healing. I offer healing session for inner child, and also twin flame, twin soul, and relationship, marriage, career, job, and education. I have done Oshishui Shehiki Rohoyo from Oshishui Reiki and Rohoyo Reiki from Oshishui Shehiki Royo, that is the university's name. And I am master in Karuna Reiki from ULC Chicago. I have done my bachelor's from University of Edinburgh, Scotland, that is on divine spirituality. So that's all about me. Let's get started. If you want a personal tarot session, you can call me at 9953214108. That's my WhatsApp number. It's better to WhatsApp me, or email me futurelove2218@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram 888future reading. So there are three choices. Let's get started with green color pencil. This is your one. This is green color pencil. Let's see what is their current feelings for you. What do they think about you? What is what are their true feelings for you? Okay, so those who choose green color pencil, I am sensing there are something devilish things going on in this connection. What is devilish things? Probably devil is the card where this person actually doesn't care about anything. He or she does whatever he or she passionate about. So either they are passionate about something, they are currently doing that in spite of the entire world. This is all about desire. This person is all about their own desire, and they do only and they only go by their heart, whether it is true, whether it is false, whether that thing that thing create any issues in their life or others life. They don't care. They do whatever they desire. So that is what devil is about. So your person is currently doing something which they desire for. And what is they desire for? They are basically into some kind of conflict situation with whom? Conflict situation with another person, like another person's energy. It's another person in energy. So there would be another third party with whom they are having relationship with. And what happens with you, like you are kind of a person who wanted to be with them, you wanted that they should be with you and only with you. And you are also, I'm seeing you are a person who wants, actually who wants your partner to listen everything and do whatever you wish to. And these things are not happening here now. This person with some other person who has a magnetic personality. So this person has very charming nature. The third person, the third party has very charming nature. They look good and they are with them because that is their desire, to be with a good looking person. Now I'm seeing there, there is a card like Four of Wands. Definitely you are their true soulmate and partner, and they are going to come back to you, but that would happen only slowly, gradually, as if now they are too much into third party situation. They, what is their feelings for you, they actually not thinking about you. They are in a conflict situation, whether to stay back in that situation or whether to go out of the situation. But that is only about third party, not about you. You are waiting for them, you are watching that they should come back to you. You are somewhere, I'm seeing the situation is very tough, like you fell sick, you were not well, you were unwell, you were suffering quite a lot. But then also this man is not thinking about you, or this woman is not thinking about you. This person is actually thinking about somebody else. And if you think that they are thinking about you and they are your own person, I would say no. This point of time they are not at all thinking about you. What universe is suggesting you here, that door of the door to the personal healing and happiness. You need healing in this situation. You guys are in sun, moon, rising, Aries, Leo and Saggy. And definitely Aries, Leo, Saggy, Libra, Aquarian and Gemini. And Virgo and Capricorn. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Aquarian and Gemini, Virgo and Capricorn. And I'm seeing some of you guys has date of birth like number 8, 26 and 17, number 7, 25 and 16, and number 4, 22 and 13, number 15, number 14, number 10, 11 and 24 and 8 and 19. Within this you have for this your birthday or your companion or partner's birthday. But currently at present they are not thinking about you, but they will come back to you slowly and gradually. They will come back to you. They will come back to you within few months. That is probably another 6 to 7 months. They are going to come back to you and they are going to say, tell you sorry. But at present he or she is into the last full situation. And this last full situation, what I'm seeing that, bro, maybe they are very sexual. I'm pulling their frequency, and it looks like they are probably lots of sexuality coming in, and lots of sexual energy coming in. So probably they are very sexual. And they are not sexual about you, but they are sexual about another person who is very charming and good looking. So here these good look things matter for them, and they have gone for somebody who is actually better looking than you. I'm sorry guys, you all are my viewers, so you probably looks good, you probably look good. But yes, they are currently with someone else. And seven chakra archangel Uriel. So this is crown chakra archangel Uriel. I'm not sure why they are showing Uriel as a woman, but actually I believe Uriel as a man. Okay, now seven chakra archangel Uriel. So you cannot think from your mind, like you are totally corrupted in these things, like what is happening in between them, what is, are they in sexual connection or not, something. So your seven chakra, chakra is imbalanced at present. You are trying to basically you're trying to manifest the entire situation in a different way, but it's not going to help. God and universe is saying that you must take a healing session to just to get out of this situation, because you are not feeling well. Definitely you are mentally and physically, you are suffering, and this is a time for healing. And I would say that not to worry, because after September there would be a time when this person would realize what they have done to you, and they are definitely going to come back and ask for apology. But as if now they are totally into with the third party, and they have that devilish things going on, like lust and too much of sexuality. Probably I'm not sure what is their testosterone or whatever the things are, but they are too much into the sexuality, and they are with the third person, and third person attracts them more than you. So they are not thinking about you, they're totally into the third person. But not to worry, because they are your true soulmate, and they will definitely come back to you. Thank you guys for watching my video, and this is all about those who choose Reiki pencil, that is green color Reiki pencil. Let's get started with other option. This is blue color throat chakra Reiki pencil. I'm placing it here. Let's see what is their feeling. What are their feelings for you? I think this is a different card. No, this is this day card. Okay. Oh, I'm getting lots of twin soul energy over here. Okay, so what are their feelings for you? You and your companion, they are like companion, partner, lover, spouse. They are in Sun, Moon, rising Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Very strong energy of Libra, and also very strong energy of Aquarius, Libra, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And I would say Aries and Leo. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo. Very strong energy of Leo energy, very strong energy of Aquarius and Libra energy, and Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces energy. You both are definitely twin flame, twin soul, yin yang, and yes, they have two ways to choose. Like they can choose you, or they can choose the entire world. Like I'm seeing here, probably the person is getting visa to some other country. They are planning to travel down some other places, like some other country. They are planning to go to probably Australia, Canada, US, or some other places. They are planning to relocate, and you are depressed about it because you don't want them to go some other country. They are trying to go, probably this is an educational visit, probably this is a work visit, or they are trying to get a PR, permanent resident visa to other country. But here I am seeing that you want to have a family with them, and they are not such person that they would stay back in a relationship for a long time. They just they always they have a different mysterious behavior. They want a relationship only for 6 months, 7 months, year, 2 years, and then they want to move to other person. So that's their, that is their nature. They, it's not like that they do it purposefully, but that is their nature. And that like that is how he or she is. And I'm seeing that they're very this person is very stubborn, or like something like masculine energy. If the if we are talking about man, and they have that the king like power, so they think, okay, if not this girl to, then the other girl, and this is the time, or if this is like this is not this man, if it is not about this man, I probably find out some better other man. So they don't think much about relationship. For them it is like get into a relationship for a few months, and then come out of the relationship and look for somebody else. They never look for settling down in their relationship. They don't want to give commitment because they are afraid of commitment. And that is a karmic things. Basically this is not they are doing something like this purposefully, but they have some kind of karmic going on in their life. So they have this pulling back things. Whenever the commitment things come in front of them, they would pull back. So what I'm seeing for this person he has this person already planned to leave you and go to some other place. And that he or she doesn't mind much to go away from you in respect to get some material gain. And they are going to do eventually. And you are a heartbroken person. I'm seeing in fact in past also somebody hurt you, and you have gone through a rough phase of life. But anyway, what I'm seeing now, that's a different thing to altogether. Like this person will not stay back with you. And what is their feelings now? They just wanted a short term relationship, and they got it, and now they don't want you much. Sorry guys, this is some kind of negative things are showing up in my reading. I know whenever the negative things comes up, you guys are like, you start yelling on me and saying why you are doing negative reading. I'm not satisfied, but this is the true things. Like this person is actually not ready. And they are not thinking about you, not at all. I just want to know why this person is like that. Like something karmic is there, I know, but even though they dream, like they dream very big. I think they are the daydreamer. They think whatever they cannot get, even they think about it. Probably they think that they would get married with someone like Angelina Jolie or Aishwarya Rai. So they think like that they would get someone like this if they wait for them. And universe is sending you some messages like just wait for some times, and after 2 to 3 months, if you ask them that please be with me, probably they will agree, and they will think about you. They will give a second thought. But as if now this is the reading, what is their feelings about you? They don't feel much. They actually want, they have already planned to separate from you. And they are moving out of the country, out of the city, and they are going to some other places. And they will be there with some other person over there. They are not feeling much about you. So sorry guys, again this is a negative reading, but I cannot help. Whatever card shows, I show that. I don't do pre-shuffling stuffs and say only good things, not any kind of bad things. I'm like, I'm not like that. I just have to say whatever the truth is. Okay, so now those who choose crown chakra pencil, so let's see what is their current feelings about you. Okay, let's see. Definitely this person wants back, like wants to come back in your life because they are very sexually attracted towards you. I would say more than love, they are sexually attracted towards you. You guys are in sun moon rising, definitely Libra, Aquarian and Gemini, and Aries, Leo and Saggy, and definitely Capricorn and Virgo, and very strong Saturn energy. And I'm seeing your date of birth could be 19, 25, 5, 23, and 14 and 15, and then 2, 20, 4, 22, and 13, and 7, 25, and 16. So that would be your date of birth, like you or your companion's date of birth. Now what I'm seeing here, this is like this person sexually attracted towards you, but you love them truly from heart, and they want to come back to you. Definitely yes, they want to come back to you. They are thinking a lot about you, they are obsessed about you, but that is only sexually they are obsessed about you. They don't have any kind of true love in their true love feelings for you. This is all about sexual attraction. They are quite passionate about you, they cannot live without you, they want to offer you love and they want to be with you, but that is only a sexual connection. And you are quite a spiritual person. You just don't want somebody who in front of the face like something and then behind something. You always like, you always a person who meditate, who is a spiritual person. You are a person of your words, but this person has two face. Like in front of you, they show that you, they're so sweet, they are polite, they are spiritual, they don't want to get involved into the sexual things, but they are actually obsessed about you, and that is sexually obsessed about you. There is nothing in love, but they don't have this true love feelings for you, but they are sexually so much obsessed about you, they cannot live without you. They eventually come back to you for sure. This is a separation time, but they are going to come back to you. So they cannot stop thinking about you. Even in daytime also they think, oh my god, we used to be like this, we used to be like that, and that is what all in their mind. So this person is definitely kind of I don't know what is their testosterone level is, but yes, they are sexually obsessed about you. They lose their mind on you, they lose their sleep on you. They are in a limbo situation, that why I left this person, and I want to see why they left you, because of some other person, or what could be the reason why they left you, why you guys are in separation. Okay, so here it, how it is, they were like they were preparing for some competitive exam or something, like they were thinking about some materialistic life, probably the financial things, probably they want to improve in their business, or they want to gain some more value, like more money, more financial growth. In respect to that, they left you, they actually backstab you, and they got separated from you. But now at present time, they could not stop thinking about you, they want to come back to you. They were like, that time they were so much stubborn, they were like, go away from me, I don't want you. And this time they, like, they are all about, they want to come back to you. This is what the energy is coming. Let's see what universe is saying, that they will, would you accept, it is good for you to accept them or not. Are you carrying around regret? Is there a relationship that needs healing but you just don't know what to say? Give your pride a rest and simply start with I am sorry. Take responsibilities and acknowledge your role in the situation. Apologize for them and for you. Then let it go and be very proud of yourself. Making amends isn't easy, but it's a huge leap forward to your spiritual path. Bravo. Oh my god, this is something very complicated. Oh my god. Okay. So what universe is saying, like, um, you also must regret because you have done something in this relationship which was not according to universe. Probably the kind of passionate sexual relationship you had with this person, probably universe did not expect you to have such passionate and sexual relationship within very short period of time. Probably you supposed to, you must have wait for a long time and then think about this person and take a step. But anyway, whatever happened, it has happened. So now the time to apologize, like time to regret. And after that, what is your responsibilities is to forgive this person and make things go good. Like forgive this person when he will come back to you, forgive them and talk to them nicely, but let them go. Just don't get into that relationship again, because this relationship is all about sexual things. So that is what the message universe is saying, that this is all about sexual things and they are obsessed about you, but not because of you, not because of your quality and not because of your nature. They are obsessed about their sex, the kind of sexual relationship you had with them. So universe is suggesting you just go out of this relationship. When they come back to you, ask for forgiveness, talk to them politely, say them that I also had these issues, even you had some issues, you have done something wrong. So talk to them clearly, speak with them nicely, but let them go. Don't stay in this relationship. So that is what. But being a spiritual person, that is what they are saying, that this is what a spiritual path is all about. And you are a spiritual person. In the starting beginning of this reading, I told you guys that you guys are spiritual person, you may meditate every day. So that is what universe is saying. Probably this is kind of a test, this is your test from universe or from almighty. So you have to actually overcome this trial period, and you have to say them goodbye, but not in that manner, not getting irritated. You just have to tell them goodbye. I thanks to you, you showed me a better spiritual path, and for you I am in this path now, but we are over and we cannot go further. So that's all about this reading. Hopefully you liked my reading. I have come up with this English reading after almost 10 days. And God bless you guys, and let me know how did you feel about my reading. And thank you. Have a blessed day. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care.